course. Um, how is everyone? How is your week? It's the beginning of the week for some of us, basically. So yeah, I told this before. I was going to start doing streaming in English. Probably the interviews will continue in Spanish, and this is going to be mostly on Fridays. But I'm not sure what is going to be the frequency of those. By the way, can you hear me okay? Gringo. I don't know that Vito you were before here, but the reason I'm going to start switching into English streaming is because currently I'm doing a lot of like networking. I'm not doing a lot of networking, but I want to do more networking here in Europe. And for me, since I live in Sweden, not in Spain, or I guess Spain is the only country that speaks Spanish here, right? So because I'm living in Sweden, for me sometimes it's like really hard. And not really hard, but I would love to show sometimes, because it's not like I'm just like showing up that I'm doing streamings. I know like that, but sometimes like the topic just like appears in the conversation, and I like, oh yeah, I really like to do like live coding streamings, and then they are like very, how do you say that, like sad that they can like really watch it because it's in Spanish, so that restricts a lot of the public. And also I really want to connect with more people. English these days is kind of the international language, so if I just focus on Spanish, and the thing is because the time zone difference, it's still really hard for me to just like kind of grow my audience in Spanish. I'm not saying that that's my purpose, but it's still hard sometimes. I know for some of you it's not a very convenient schedule. So yeah. Penecillo. Funny name. No, I can't. That's the commitment. That's what I put the streaming in English. Like I already like changed the language. And also for me, it's going to be like a way to practice English much more. Of course, I practice English at my work with some friends, but I need like continue doing the immersion. Yeah, exactly. Like for some of you, English is going to be like a nice trade-off. Yeah, I know. Like for some of you, maybe not. But at the end, I was doing like some kind of. It was not like a, how you call it, like beginner. Yeah, beginner content. It was more advanced content, more focused on product. And at the end, at that point, you might, speak English already. So yeah. Hey, Javier, how are you? Finally, because it's in English, you decided to appear. So yeah, that's the idea. But as I said, like, the idea is like mostly do everything in English. Even the idea is my YouTube channel is going to switch to English as well. I haven't even like doing any more videos, right? So it doesn't really matter for YouTube. Of course, maybe some of the subscribers are expecting like more Spanish speaking content, but I'm open to do talks in Spanish when it's necessary, like join interviews in Spanish, right? That's kind of the idea. Yeah, haha. So let's start with the stretching. So yeah, that's the idea of the English speaking and streaming. Hopefully I start to get more into the English speaking community. I'm doing this for me, basically. That's the whole point, right? And yeah, I start like applying to, conference. I already applied for a few conference. Let's wait what happens. Tomorrow I'm buying the ticket for Nordic.js. I applied for Nordic.js, but I don't think. It's hard. Like they have a lot of speakers, etc. already. I don't know if you know about Nordic.js. It's happening in October. So let's take a look. Yeah, it's happening the 6th, 7th of October. Nordic.js, it means it's here I think it's in Stockholm. Yeah, probably the Nordic. And they already have a few, speakers really good. Yeah, I kind of know Emma Bostian. Emma Bostian is an American that moved to Sweden. She's living here. So yeah, it's a great opportunity to meet some fellows. Charlie, I know Charlie. I met her at the. For instance, Charlie, she's an amazing developer. She likes to experiment new stuff. She's a really great content creator. She's also a Google developer expert, and she doesn't speak Spanish at all. And the only way to communicate with her is in English. So I can reach more people in English. That's the truth. That's the idea behind. Who is this guy? I kind of recognize his picture. Oh yes, Dino. Engineer at Dino Land. Oh, okay, wait. He's like a member of the Node.js technical steering committee and TC delegate. Okay, this guy is important. Hey, Skyted, how are you? All right, are you like really good speaking English or what? Punk Ben, and of course, as I say, this is going to be English focused, but for sure I'm going to say some Spanish, sentences and stuff like Punk Ben. He tenido entrevista en inglés y aún siento que me cuesta. Yeah, every day it's an effort. It's not like that, but do you know that sentence that says who is the actress? It's a Colombian actress. What is her name? This famous actress from Barranquilla. Super famous actress, Colombian actress. I don't even remember her show, her TV show. But she says no, no, of course no. This is the only one. The only few. Check it, Sofia Vergara. Yes, exactly. So every day I feel like Sofia Vergara saying, "Do you know how is Mara in Spanish?" That's my day. Now, sometimes I have really good English days. It's like I don't believe it. It's like, oh my god, like my pronunciation, the way that I say stuff is like amazing. And at the end, that's kind of the thing. If you like really go immerse in the language, you will pick it up, So yeah. Skyted, I'm great. How are you? I'm great. I'm really happy to do this in English. Try. Javier, is that a Three Stripes Adidas shirt? I don't really know. Maybe? Is this Adidas? How do I know if it's Adidas? No, this is not Adidas. This says something different. But this said something. I can't see. Something now. It's very sold. So no, but it looks like Adidas. Yes, nothing like a sexy Colombian accent in English, Nothing like that. You're right, that's why I need to leave Latam. Yeah, well, depend. It depends, right? Some people want to, leave Latam because they want to improve their quality of life. For sure, in Europe, you will have that, for sure. You know that salaries in Europe are not that high as the States, but for sure you are going to improve your quality of life. It's a different way of living the life, and I didn't know that. You know, when I came here, I did it because YOLO, YOLO, not YOLO, because YOLO is Spanish, right? Yeah, I did it because YOLO. Like, why not? Worst case scenario, I will just, you know, I will come back to Colombia. I mean, I have a place there, right? So yeah, that I mean, I didn't know, and then after a few months, especially in the pandemic, you know, in the pandemic, I realized, oh my god, especially Sweden. Do you know that in Sweden, we never wear a face mask? Never. Like, it wasn't mandatory in any moment. It was like it wasn't mandatory. It was like the recommendation once was like to wear it in the public transportation in the rushing hours. Just that. We never wear a face mask here. And I mean, it's your responsibility, I guess, but I haven't had any COVID yet. Like, I have the 3 vaccines, the 3 shots of the vaccine, but I haven't had any COVID yet. No COVID. But I guess it's luck. I just been really lucky. Because I remember the last time that everyone came to the office, everyone got COVID. Yeah, like everyone. I still know some people that doesn't have haven't had any COVID yet, but it's just a few. Even our friend, Skytech, yes, I'm in Sweden. Didn't you know that? I thought you knew that. I also migrated twice. Really? Ah, okay, in Silatan. Where are you from, Punk, then? Originally? Okay, I'm having like some lag. Some network lag. What is that? I thought I fixed my issue. By the way, I kind of fixed my internet issue. What I did was to change the DNS from the router for the Google, DNS, but directly from the router. That improved a lot my internet connection. But looks like I'm losing some frames, and it was a similar situation in the last interview. Like I like to check my recordings so I can see like different like problems. Like currently I'm having an issue with the mic. Damn it! Like fucking mic. Yeah, it's like it's complicated because my MacBook does a lot of noise. And it's like I need to choose between, like, I mean, ideally it should be like really, really close to the mic, but I don't like that. And then maybe like reduce the gain. But let's see how it works. I need to find an balance between that. Yeah, I think it's coding time, right? Like yeah, like 15 minutes already, no, almost 15 minutes. This is going to be fun because, I mean, we have a lot of Spanish copies in this project. I still don't know if we are going to continue doing this project. I mean, of course, I want to continue doing this project. But probably it's not going to be as much as we used to do it. Because it's already a started project, and I mean, for the dynamic of the stream, maybe we want to continue doing these like really, really small projects. And I guess I'm going to start doing that, learning new stuff. For instance, I really want to learn 2 languages. Sorry, again, I need to change cameras because if I'm going to start just talking, it doesn't make sense to show the code. But I really would like to learn Dart and try Flutter, Ruby on Rails, and Clojure script. But today, because I haven't like any plan at all, I just want to check the state of our dependencies in the components library. By the way, I changed the VS Code team. Juan Jose, hey, create other side project. Yeah, I mean, I mean, this is going to, you know, I want to really finish this. I need to finish this because I still going to do the, you know, the recording course. That's for sure. I'm going to do it. I mean, it's like, you know, it's a goal that I have to achieve. I'm going to do that. Part of my vacations in 1 week, I'm going to have 4 weeks of vacations. I think it's the first, probably it's the first time here, or probably in my life, that I take 4 weeks, like, yeah, like, you know, one after the other. So I'm going to take 4 weeks vacation, and in those vacations, of course, I'm going to travel a little bit. So yes, I'm going to be off again, Guillermo. Yes, let's just check that this is like working first. Oh my God, no, I need to choose the Node.js version. Okay, now, yes. So let's just check that this is like working. Probably it's working. I mean, the last time that we worked on this, it was working, right? So it should work. We update Node. Yes, we update Node. What is the last version, like the current, like long-term version of Node? Like, are the cool guys still using Node these days or not? Let me see. Node.js download. Yeah, it's still like 16, 15, of course, but it's fine. At least that's the major version, and the current is 18. That's okay. What are my, like? Let me check what am I doing. So what was I saying? Oh yes, 4 weeks of vacations, and I'm going to, you know, take a few days for record the course. What I don't know yet is if I'm going to do it in English or Spanish. I still don't really know. What do you prefer, if we record the course in English or Spanish? What do you think? I mean, of course, I don't really know. I mean, for me, it's kind of, I feel it should be English, right? Yes. Because if I'm doing this change, why am I going to just do it in Spanish? I mean, 6 days. Skyted, that's so sad. I know. Mexico is super crazy about holidays. It's like you know, sorry, let me just check something. It's like, yes, I'm just checking my note, but I'm an idiot. I'm just going to, you know, grip nvm like this. Yes. So so the C, I need to, you know, update the C. So usually this is kind of a convention that I use. Like, I have like XYZ nvm commands just to switch between versions. So basically X is like son all deprecate, no, I mean a deprecate, not deprecate, but an old version that I'm still using in an old project for some reason. Usually it's work or something like that. Then Y is kind of the, you know, long-term support version, and then Z is like the current, you know, to test features and stuff. But that's fine. I just wanted to check my status on that. So yeah, I mean, yeah, this is like the, you know, component library that we have done before, and yeah, I guess it's working. The last thing that we have to, like, you know, comment was the SVG thingy. Remember, we need to take a look on that, but that might be later. What was it? The score. It was the score. It was the score. What? I feel this is. Can you see? Yeah, the score. This is the one. This is the one that was like super tricky. Yeah, we can take a look on that later. So yeah, so in Sweden you have 25 days of vacation per year, but my company has 6 more days. That means I have 31 days of vacation per year. That means I have 6 weeks per year. 6 weeks, 1 day per year. But if I'm not wrong, I might have my 6 weeks. Yeah, I think so. I don't know. I have to check. I know I already, like, you know, reserved my 4 weeks. But yeah, and then I will have a lot of vacations. Then yes. Skyted is by law. By law, it's 5 weeks in Sweden. everyone has 5 weeks per week by law, but my company gives me 1 extra week and 1 extra day. That's it, basically. I told you, quality of life is real. It's real in Sweden. Very, very real. You won't imagine. It's crazy. It's crazy. And especially if you find a really good company. My company is really good. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I have to check some numbers. I don't want to say the reasons, but I will let you know later. But yeah, I was checking some numbers and it was like, oh shit. I mean, it's like really good. I mean, that wasn't the reason why I changed company the last time, because I haven't been even a year in this company. I have been like for 8 months, 9 months already, but I haven't been even. I haven't like been in a year in this company. No weekend. It's just like no. Like the 6 weeks is including the weekends. I mean, it's like how do you call it? Like working days. It's 31 in my case. I mean, for everyone citizen of Sweden, it's 25 working days of vacations. So it means like any weekend, any holiday is not counting as those days. Like you have more days, of course. And I don't work on Saturdays. I work from Monday to Friday. That's it. I of course I do a lot of shit, yeah, but because I'm crazy and I don't know, I kind of workaholic. But yeah, so I think this is great. So let's check what is happening. Like if we do like jar upgrade interactive, and then we compare. No later. What is that? Latest. Yeah, so in this command will show me what? That's crazy. No, oh maybe, oh really? No, I can't believe it. No, what? Are we already up to date? That's maybe. I thought that. Wait. No. This can be. Maybe there is a bug or something. Nay, let me see. Yeah, that's the command, but I thought the storybook. Let me see. Where is the storybook here? Storybook. I mean, I know we updated like what was that, like 1 month, 2 months ago? But that's impossible. I mean, or maybe not, because we don't have that many dependencies. No. This is really wrong. What? Wait. I'm on really the last version of Storybook. No, nay. Like Storybook. What was the last version? Storybook releases GitHub. That's crazy. Can't believe it. Lens extension. Yes. That Vito. I use that the same lens, but I have disabled some stuff here. But I use that. So yeah. This commit message. That's git lens. Where is it? So is this the last version, right? Like this is like it's like 6.9. What is happening? What is happening? It's not upgrade, but it's jar update. Jar upgrade. Let me see. Or maybe I have to upgrade jar? Or maybe I have cache somehow. I don't really get it. Let me see. What is happening? What is the last version of Jarm, by the way? I'm still like using like Jarm 1.2022.19. Shall we update Jarm? What is like the advantages? You are using latest. Is not latest. Oh, maybe. Hey, thank you, Mr. James, for the typo. Yes. That's crazy. I mean, thank you. I was kind of scared. Yeah. That's why Jarm Gray was kind of working. Okay. Now we are talking. Oh, give me a second. Just give me 1 minute. I'm back. Don't worry, I'm back. Hey, thank you so much, Mr. James. Damn, I'm talking about, you know, only English speakers will see the error, right? Because I'm really, you know, prone to create typos. So, what is happening on plus strike per year when you have? Yes. Mexico is crazy. Here in Chile is freaking working days. Oh, you're from Chile. Oh, nice to know. In Colombia is the same. In Colombia, we usually have like 2 weeks per year. And have I told you the secret? I mean, it's not a secret, but when I used to work for OutZero, we had unlimited paid vacations. I'm not kidding. I use a lot of them, but probably I have never taken as much vacations as I have taken since I live in Sweden, you know? Mr. James, you are from Ecuador, but you have a James. It's an English name, right? Of course, James is also in Spanish, but that's good. That's the idea. We practice English as we code, right? Okay, I mean, this is fine. Like, so what is my strategy to update dependencies? We talked about this the last time that we touched this project. The strategy is like, ideally, I mean, this is like my personal recommendation. Like, of course, you have to do it more frequently. That's first rule about dependencies. You have to do it more frequently. Every 2 weeks, every month, every quarter, whatever, but as frequently as you can. That's the key of success of dependencies. That's the key. You have to do it more frequently. And then I like to do it in 2 steps, because sometimes you have like the red are the breaking changes. Like first I like to update patch and minor dependencies. So for those that doesn't remember what it means, like the red, yellow, green, or the 3 numbers, this is a convention called semantic versioning. So basically, semantic versioning explains like the 3 numbers, like version 2.0.0. What it means is like 0. This should have like a better, like a more visual, explanation. I feel like this is kind of well, it's like here, but this should be big, and I don't know. For me, it feels like you should like kind of put it together. So the first number, I mean the 2, is the major version. It means that if you update that, you are going to have breaking changes. You definitely have to change your code. And then you have the minor, is the number in the middle. It means like, they just add new features, that usually they don't break stuff, but that's a lie. Like even patch sometimes break stuff, and patch is supposed to means it's a bug fix, So definitely you should like update your patches, especially if you have updated for a recent major version. You should like update the patches because they have like fixes. So here, for instance, we are going from 7.11.6 to 7.18. It means it's not a breaking change, right? So that's good. Like, you shouldn't have any problem. The problem is when you have that many major updates, and sometimes plugins or libraries depends each other, right? Like React and React DOM. Usually when we do releases, they do it with the same numbers just to match the version, so people don't get confused about, okay, if I update React 19, what is the React DOM version compatible? No, they just like bump both of them. So okay, yeah, this is a like a really big project, Mr. James. It's like I will explain it later, during this week, because or not, because as I was saying before, probably for this English format, I will take this project like once per week, and I will continue doing offline. I don't really know, and probably I will do like new projects, new short projects during streaming, learning new languages maybe. But this is like a component library, like Bootstrap or what else, Material UI. That's kind of the the library, this one here. So we have the documentation here. Oh, it's not, of course, the server, but I'm just like right now I'm updating dependencies. So I have like Babel. So let's update this. Okay, so that are the majors. I'm just going to wait a little bit. I just want to, so this is the latest, storybook version. Okay, so yes. Oh, Babel loader? No, Babel loader is fine. Okay, perfect. Commitisen, yes, good. Slim plugin, Ria, yes. So, prettier, yeah, look, of course. So I'm just going all minor, all patch once, and I'm just going to make sure everything is working. So I'm just going to like run the test, build the project, and I just want to make sure everything is like working. I can commit that, and then I will take the majors. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. Basically, I'm not going to like code that much. This is going to be like more chatting in English, Sometimes you adapt to work with a bug, and then when you upgrade with the bug fix, and it breaks your code. Oh yes, that's true. That's true. Materials is better than Bootstrap. Change my mind. You know what is better than Material and Bootstrap? Tailwind. Nah. No. Of course no. What is better than Material and Bootstrap is to create your own library, and that's what we're doing here. I mean, we already made it. We build our own library from scratch. If you speak Spanish and you really want to know how we build it, you can go to my YouTube channel, and there is a list called Zero to Production. Zero to Production in Spanish, of course, and you can check the videos. That's how this stream started. Okay, so let me just like run, the test. Just see something happens. Probably not. Probably yes. You have never worked with Tailwind, but me neither. Me neither. I haven't worked with Tailwind. No time, like never. I haven't either. I don't know. I think I'm able to do everything with just plain CSS. I don't really need Tailwind. For me, it's like just if you work with Tailwind, is the same as CSS, but with restrictions. And in some sense, that's okay. Okay, some tests are working. By the way, I should like create a new branch. Oh, wait. What? Oh, shit. So let's create a new branch called. This is going to be what? Feature? Maybe no, not feature. This is going to be. Okay, let's call it feature. Upgrade. Dependencies. And this is June, right? June 2022. Is this the year, right? Yeah. Or maybe we want something like this. Okay. So we have like this yarn commit command because we have like commit design. But if I know wrong, it was working before. Yeah, this has a bug, remember? And I guess it's part of the latest update. Like this wasn't working really, Yes, this stopped to work. Damn it. So damn it. If I do like this has a linter, so if I do like upgrade dependencies, it's not going to let me dependencies. No, still, yeah, exactly. I have a linter, so I need to like, I kind of know how is it. It's sure. Dependencies maybe. Dependencies. Upgrade, patch and minor. And in theory that will let me know. Yes, okay, that's good. So I can push these changes. Hi, it is important to make the library with a bundle or rollout, for example. So it depends of your strategy. It depends of which project or is going to use it. So we are not bundling anything. We are just like consuming the library directly, and we are bundling in the host project. So the web project. So I have two projects. So this project in reality is like 3 different projects: the component library, the web project. This is the other that we haven't worked before. This is going to be really fun to upgrade because they use a very old version of. It's using a very old version of Next. It's using Next 10 probably. Probably, right? What is next? Yes, it's using next 10, and I don't really know what is the last version of next. Next. What's the last version? Which is the last version of next GitHub releases? Google should answer that. 12 Canary. It means is not really. The latest one is 11. No, the latest one. Oh, okay. It's a canary between a minor. Okay, the latest version is 12. So this means like they have one, minor version. Like they include some features, and they have done 6 bug fixes. I mean, 6 releases of bug fixing. Probably fixing multiple stuff or a few stuff. I don't really know. That depends, but that's what it means. I'm using React with in this one, in the Zero components, I'm using React and Storybook, and that's it. If you go here, this is my component library. Check the dependencies, class names. That's it. This is an utility library. It doesn't have React as a dependency. You know what? Because React and React DOM are per dependencies, and that's different. It means in order to use my component library, you have to add install React. You have to add install React. That's what it means. No, sorry, this is just JavaScript. In the future, I want to move it to TypeScript. I know. I wasn't like doing any TypeScript when I start this project. This project has started like, let me see something. Hello. How many months have we streamed yet? 22 months. Oh, 2 months for 2 years on Twitch. Oh man, how fast the time travels or pass. Yes, I should do that. Definitely, I should do that. That's a good question, but since it's not a dependent, that's a good question. How is this working, by the way? I don't have React installed, right? Like per dependencies are really like. Let me see. Package no. Yarn lock. What is the yarn lock? React. No, I think we are like currently the project is just like using the Storybook React version. Yeah, I think so. Maybe it's working with magic. Mr. James, I have a video on YouTube. If you go to damn it, what is it? If you go to my YouTube channel, exclamation YouTube, command YouTube, there is a video in Spanish, of course, where I give you some advices about move to Europe, so you can check. Oh, npm 7, and which version npm do we have? But we are using Yarn, so I don't know about it is Yarn doing that probably. What is the last version? We can do that, right? Like my understanding is like React 18 is not like doing that many breaking changes, right? Oh, by the way, I need to check if my project is like running. Okay, let's see. Okay, nice. React release GitHub. Why I keep like doing this? There is not like a better way to check what is the latest version of React. 18. Okay, 18.2. So let's do this. Let's change this. How do I force? What I can do is do a resolution, right? I guess that will do the trick. But my question is, I can check what version of React are Storybook using. Okay, wait, this is not working. This is not working. Oh damn. So the fun, oh no, not this fun. The fun started. The fun is, oh yes, this is not working. Damn, this is not working. Why is not working? Okay, the fun just started. No, the branch was working, but okay, what happened? And this is like a really weird error. So it says like strip ANSI core module something helper create class feature plugin enabled is not a function. It looks it's a Storybook version. It feels like this error. Let me see. Type error. Let's see. Is this like no? Oh, it's a Babel thing. Probably. Look. Yeah. Helper create class. Babel helper create. When was that fix? But this is 2021. Really? What is that? Huh? No. Nay. No. Yeah. This is definitely like a Babel. Sorry. What did I say? It was Storybook. No, this is like module build failed. No, yes, because it's Storybook core common. No, Babel loader. Okay. Party mode, yes, of course. Remove no modules. Yeah, I was thinking about that. Like we can do like oh yes, I was like, why this is doing this? And of course, this is get the status command. Yes, I can do like jar. What is my command? Yes, I can do that. So this, what is really doing that? Let me see. Alias, I don't really remember my command. Yes, it's removing no modules. It's cleaning the cache and is installing jar with force. Let's do that. Yeah, sometimes it's it's a mess when you install when you grade dependencies. Yeah, let's see. I wanted to know which version. Can you do jar wipe? I guess we can do jar wipe, right? Jar wipe. Yes, why? Jar wipe. I hate that there is no like I mean, give me a second. Oh no, I think I already changed the like font size, font. Yeah, I already did large. Patient 50. Yes, please. Can be like by default? Yeah. What? Yes. Oh, that's amazing. By default, this option wasn't there before. I swear. Google Chrome page soon default. Is this a new thing? Probably 2020, 2021. I don't know. Just I was curious. Nice, because for streaming, it's really good to have some in pages. I love it, especially for those that are blind like me. I do Storybook with npm. Okay, really. But we weren't at that Vito. We weren't that. Yeah, I also do that. That's true. But which version did I change? By the way, it wasn't like that. That's definitely true. That Vito. I might want to run that command. That's true. That's true, because of course they fix their any like issue, right? My question is, it might be very late for me to run that command. Maybe not. And now we should talk. Like we should talk, because now he's like running. The dependencies. What should we do? Let's check. Maybe I know where we should do. Like let's check Can I check where were the maybe? Let's see. If I go to the top, no, I don't enough like memory. What is called not memory, like buffer of my terminal. You should like decrease that, because if not, your terminal is going to consume a lot of like memory, temporal memory. What is the correct name? Or RAM memory, like random access memory. But there is like a better way, like brand Sweden. Oh, that's also a cards brand. That's real. Yeah, but we are almost done. Almost done. Yes. Maybe more water. Meanwhile. How's the music, by the way? I remember last time it was very quiet, but now I increased it a little bit, but not that much. I think it's better. Better now. Time flies. Like now we have been like 45 minutes and we already broke the project. Incredible. We already broke the project. One concern that I have is definitely commitisen, like commitisen version and Husky. Stage lean. I think it's stage lean or Husky. Yeah, I think that's one concern that I have. Husky, yes, because Husky is like, damn it, they moved to like version. Oh no, but not this Husky.js maybe. That's gone. Yeah, they moved to like from 5 to 7 or something like that. It's super crazy. Like, let me see. Okay, now it's like working. Let me see if that fixed the issue. Probably not. Probably I need to run the npm upgrade thingy. Okay, music works. Thank you for the information. Commitisen, yes. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. Give me my project storybook. Okay. It's loading stuff. Yes. Maybe it's already broken. I might want to. Oh. Well, not yet. It's just like so. Okay. Give me my project. Give me my thing. Give me my candy. Hey, no errors? What is happening? What? Still building? Oh, still building. Okay. Okay, looks like that work. Oh, what am I doing? I don't know what accent was that, but sorry for that. If you are like American, I'm just like harassing you. Please don't leave. Okay, looks like it's working. I mean, we have buttons. Yeah, we have the car. Sorry. We have the check. We have the divider. Amazing component. Most useful component ever. We have it. Heading. We have the headings. Yes, look. Concept out took about challenge destroying. Yes, we have the ways. Yeah, look. Show the code. Show the code. Now just like saying stuff. Yeah, the icon. That's the yeah. Trash. XL size. Look this. Amazing. We build this here in the project. Well, I wasn't like choosing project. Background. Look this. Oh, it's not beautiful. We build this, and you know what? This is kind of automatically done. If you take a look, icon. If you take a look. Default props, prototypes. We don't use TypeScript, but use prototypes in this project, and that's something. It's not. I guess it's not that far to migrate from. You know what we could do? Definitely, we could migrate the component library to TypeScript. Definitely, we can do that. And since Next already supports TypeScript, that will be very interesting. And that's it. And the stories, the stories are like pretty easier. Look, it's just a bunch of templates, and that's it. speaking English. Yes, Harris, of course. I really, hey, what do you think about my new, theme? It's called Andromeda. I really like it. It's more bright and it works much better for the stream. I will say. Okay, so this is definitely like working. Let's go dark. Let's go dark. This is definitely like working now. Still, I'm curious about... Oh shit, why? Really? Oops, the latest version Sobre can't be fetched. It might be because I didn't did the thingy. But what's the command that Vito? What was the command? What's the command? Oh yes, I am curious and I would like to... Let me see, well, what is the difference here? Oh, just random. Okay, that's fine. I want to do this, SB latest, just for fun. I just want to see what happens if I run this now. I mean, what is it going to do? Oh, Andromeda. I can show you, like, team, probably. This one, Andromeda. And they have, like, border version, you know, that it includes the border. Have you seen how it changed? But I really like this minimalistic, version. Like, I don't know what is colorized. What is colorized? Ah, ugly. Damn. Andromeda. Yeah. And they have also italic, but I guess I'm fine with that. I prefer what that. Yeah, I know. I'm just testing this. Really, you prefer that? Oh man, you are old school now. Of course, that's my option. You know, default. What is it? Wandar Pro Flat. This one. Yeah, it's sexy. You know, that's the one that I normally use. But I'm just testing. Oh damn it! Now you're ruining my dreams, man. Nah, this is fun. This is like more spicy. I'm a dark guy, the default team. No, Harrison, what are you saying, man? The default team, right? You know what? Which one I prefer? I prefer the. Do I have it here? Maybe no. Maybe. Oh no, really? I prefer lie. This is a favorite. This is amazing. Like we can just, you know, like. Nay. I prefer Windows 98 or 95 team. There is a team. But which one is the real one? There is like a really. I don't know which one is the real one. No, I think it's like aesthetic. People is just going to check the the software development category, and it's going to check. Look, that crazy guy. That's a psychopath. He's using a light theme. Aesthetic. How do you write aesthetic? Like this? I don't know how to write that. Like VS Code aesthetic. Oh, is that team Windows? Or maybe that was Okay, there is like this page VS Code teams. Probably but it may have the, and you can like Windows. And you can see like a preview. Windows 11. Oh, really? No, there was what's that? Probably that was on Atom. Atom has like a really beautiful, like even the icons and everything. It was amazing, was amazing. Okay, let's change this before I got crazy. Singway 84. Yes, that's definitely, yeah. I also considered that one, but I don't know. Yes, this one. Okay, let's install it. Why not? But I considered that one. It has this nice thing. Yeah. Look. Oh, but I need to. Okay, but I need to like enable the bright stuff. I mean, I like it, but what I don't like. Let me see. What's here? 84. Probably if I put 84. Yeah. Look. No, they don't have any variants. I don't like everything is purple. okay with the colors, but not the whole theme purple, you know. Okay, let's go to Andromeda. Let's stop, procrastination. Chew. Okay, so need to install the following packages. Do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay, so this whole time this wasn't installing. By the way, storybook upgrade versions. What it says in the documentation? Yeah, here. NPS, it's gray. Okay. What it's doing? I want to see if it does something else. I am curious. I am curious guy. You know that. I'm really curious about. So what happened? I already update the version using Yarn upgrade interactive latest. But that Vito has a point about the way that we should upgrade storybook, you know. But what did the doc says? Auto migrate script. Okay, storybook grades are not the only thing to consider. Change the consists also prevent challenges. For instance, loss of framework, blah blah blah. How recently migrate, blah blah blah. Oh yes. I want that. Aha. Okay. It runs at several standard configuration checks. Oh, but this is for the next version, right? Because this feels like very, dangerous. Next. One thing is latest, but next? The next version? That's, another level. Pre-releases. Okay. Next upgrade pre-release. Okay. Which version of... Okay, so let me see. Migration check successfully. Looks like we... Yeah, it's like... Apparently, it just run a migration check. Okay, that's nice. Probably. Okay. So, John, why React? Is that the way to check? From React? No, nay, why? Has been hoisted to React because space in depth dependencies. Oh, wait. Do I have it in depth dependencies? Really? No, what? Why? Maybe, why? Which version of React is using a storybook? Which version of React is using a storybook? There is a way to check which version is using storybook. Supports new React features is not compatible with React. What? Oh, but this is like a really old version. There is. No, I mean, let's do it, right? Like, probably, I don't know if this is a storybook. Put in the version. Of course, and Jam upgrade, yeah, latest. Maybe the wrong interface. Yeah, I mean, this is weird. I mean, technically, as you mentioned, like npm is installing per dependencies. So I wonder what happened if I remove React from here and start just like relying in the per dependencies. Like, does Yarn install per dependencies? Let me see. Yarn doesn't install per dependencies for you and won't install the dependencies of your plugin. Use the dependencies independence. What? Install pairs. Okay, you might want to. Okay, install pairs. Automatic install per dependencies as dependencies. So I guess if we want to install, but this is a package. What the fuck? No, this is not a package. I thought it was a command. Yarn install pair. Okay, maybe what it says. Important for library authors. Yeah, maybe. But it's closed. What they say? Like, are they going to implement it? 4 days ago. No shit. What? They're complaining. Oh. Do you think it's time to move to npm again? It's time to move back. For your own testing, yeah, probably. Okay, but I mean, let's YOLO. Let's, you know, in theory I have it here, right? Yes. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, why I'm not installing this? Like, okay, let's YOLO, you know? Let's YOLO. Semantic release. Oh, I'm scared. Semantic. Let's YOLO. I mean, you kind of know, you know, you kind of know about what are going to be those that are going to be really hard to migrate. Like I already know this one, semantic release. Oh, come on, you don't have the. Oh, it's because my terminal is stupid, very stupid terminal. Okay, so this is the one. But really, I thought that was going to like show me the, you know, releases. How can I check the migration? We can just go wild and just like, I mean, I am still very scared of Husky. No, not semantic release. That's always Jest. Yeah, Jest, go Jest. I'm really scared of Husky and Least Stage. You know, Slim. Let's go Slim. Yeah, concurrently. Oh damn, like 7. Okay, don't. Yeah, chromatic is fine, but I'm just going crazy. Testing library, yeah, why not? This package, of course. This other package is also creating problems, but let's go. I mean, oh, semantic, committing. Let's go, Joe. Let's go everything or nothing. What do you think? Should I? I mean, in theory, like those are like really. One thing is I mean, for instance, like laying Husky, this is like pre-commit, so I might encounter a problem when I want to commit the changes, but not for, you know, the project itself. Let's go, Joel. I just update everything. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. And then everything is just going to stop working, and of course I'm not going to be here with you. By the way, I'm not going tomorrow to the office. I have a visit for Electrolux engineers. They need to repair my oven because my landlord installed the oven and he didn't know what he was doing, and then the whole oven just broke. And then he sent a proper electrician for fix the oven, but the oven is already damaged. Don't be like my landlord, please. I mean, it's fine. I guess he wants to save some money, the electrician. I completely understand that. But he's fine. He's fine. That we are using like a temporal, you know, like, how call it? Not oven, but the stove, a temporal stove. Yeah, mini stove. Jump into the water. That's it. That bit. I mean, I'm scared, right? So maybe we still want to read about releases. So we jump. Oh, okay, let's go. Okay, so now we have this. Let's test. I know tests are going to break probably. Yes, please be nice with me, Jest, or I will change you. Okay. It's like not working at all. It freeze. Maybe no. Wait. You know what? Maybe should I just do the? Oh man, what? Why I didn't install everything again? No, but I mean it's fine. We want to verify that the minor and patch upgrade. What's okay? It's fine. One step at a time. You know. Yeah, I really recommend do this in 2 steps. Minor and patch, make sure it's working, and then you do the, you know, the major. So yeah, let's check what happens with, you know, semantic. What are like the breaking changes? So here, 19 breaking changes. The plugin also dropped support for Node 15. Okay, so that's nice because we have Node 16. Oh, by the way, if you want to grade dependencies, you might want to check your node version. That's kind of the first step, and it's just like a snowball. Like, oh, I want to update this, but my node version is very, very old, so now I'm in trouble. And if you update like the node version, some stuff might stop working. So it's a whole like mess, snowball. Have you seen No News Test Runner? Yes, I haven't tested, but I have seen it. It's really nice. I mean, still Jest has a lot of power because, you know, I my understanding is like it's just the runner, right? Because Node already have an assertion library, if I'm not wrong, by default. Yes, they have like assert by default, but they didn't have the runner. But still, you need like, you know, a library for mocking and that kind of stuff. You can do it manually if you want, but I don't know. That's another league for me. Like, do like a testing library. I mean, it's not that hard. You can use like a proxy object for create like the, you know, like the mocking function, like just fn. Maybe use the proxy object. Have you seen the proxy object? Proxy object, I guess, JavaScript. It's like basically you can create you can extend functionality of an object. So this is like the, you know, like the target and the handler, and then what you can do basically is like every time that I run get in my target, it's going to do this instead. So you have the prop. Yeah, I don't really remember the receiver, but yeah, you can like do nice stuff with this. And the Reflect API, I never studied the Reflect API. And this is from, you know, ECMAScript 6, you know, 2015. Okay, what is happening? Oh, I'm installing everything, right? Yeah, I forgot. So okay, no version 15 has been removed from our default support versions, blah blah blah. Okay, that's good. So that's 19. What about 18? Okay, this is maintained release and increased amount of dependencies require no version higher than the node support, blah blah blah. Okay, nice, interesting. No version, the minimum require. Okay, so we are fine with semantic release, but still we have a problem with committing for some reason. Yeah, I mean, which version do we have before? Can I see this? Why not seeing like anything? Like, why? Oh, because I added to the stage, maybe that's why. Yeah, probably. Like, what we used to have semantic release changelog 9. Okay, name. What was the version? What's the version? 19. 16. Yeah, we are fine. Okay. So, okay, let's like, oh, no, wait. Let's just run test again. Yes. Not going to work. Really? No. Now it's running. Okay. Oh, man, but Husky. I'm scared about Husky. Oh, one. Okay. Let's see what happened. Oh, this is good, I guess. Document is not defined. Okay, consider use the JS done environment. Okay, so they change. Okay, they changed the default test environment. Oh, that's okay. Okay, I guess default node. Oh, they changed this. Maybe, yeah. Okay. Now it's JS DOM, right? So if I go here and then I go to, what is it? Just something. I already forgot. Config, maybe? Yeah, I guess this one, right? Because setup is for my stuff. Yeah, definitely. So config. And if I change environment, test environment, yeah, maybe. Wait. Do I have it still like bin? I want to disable bin. I don't want to use bin these days. Disable. Yes, disable. Reload. Fuck me. Environment. a string. What J is DOM, right? Okay. Oh, prettier. Oh, what? How do I run prettier here? I forget everything. Like format, command shift, no, shift, command F, shift, command F. Yes. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so let's run the test. In theory, because I have defined what? Okay. Look. That's good. This environment JSON can not be found. Make sure blah blah blah. I love when the errors give you like the solution. Like they know. I mean, it is a major version. So for sure you are trying to do whatever we had before, and they decided you need to install this. Okay, I agree. I guess it's good because what they did, so they used to have Jest done by default in Jest, and of course that makes Jest more heavier, you know, the bundle is like bigger, and probably not everyone needed Jest done by default, because Jest of course is a library that was very like related with front-end testing. So I guess yeah, definitely we should have it by default, but I guess they are trying to move to a more like generic tool. So yeah, I mean, I totally understand that. So let's install Jest done by default. I mean, it's a dead dependency. Eds Garcia, yeah, English. Today is English, tomorrow English. Friday, I don't know. Are we? Probably we are not having interview this Friday, to be honest. I also need to prepare some slides. So let's see. I mean, tomorrow, and also and to be honest, I guess we are going to have an streaming tomorrow, yes, but Thursday, I have the summer party event of my company, and probably I don't know. It depends. If I'm very drunk, you will see me here. If not, I'm just going to sleep Thursday. You know. Okay. Okay. That's nice. So just one test failing. Oh, okay. It's trying to run the. Oh, it's not running the snapshots. That's so bad. Why? Okay. Okay. That's okay. So that's what it happens when you upgrade dependencies. Everything is just broken. Okay, so in storybook test, where is it, by the way? I just storybook test. Oh yeah, I'm just blind. Okay, so here now we need to go to a storybook, probably a storybook of snapshots, maybe. That's kind of the snapshot test, and see how is the configuration. So you write storybook test.js. That's true. In its snapshot, I'm doing this, right? I'm doing exactly this. Okay. Okay. Really? I mean. Oh, framework. Yeah. Okay. Additional customization. Okay. So why is this not working? So Jest 28 is not running snapshot testing storybook. That's the way to look for. So February 2022, yeah. So for other test runner, Vitex. Oh no, why are you saying? Hey. Okay. Storybook test runner add-on. Probably using Jest with storybook snapshot testing React. Okay, maybe. No, this is very new, right? No. Maybe if we look for the same error, like storybook test, maybe storybook, because maybe someone just reported like that, right? Test.js, and then this. This is like enough information. Like it's a storybook, and you know, we have like this error. You know, I have seen this error before, to be honest, but let me see. But make sure the script variables are not imported. Name. No, damn. No, this is not. Maybe it's the way that I'm writing testing. Okay, let's go to Jest releases. Which version of Jest did we have? I don't really remember. Which version of Jest did we have? So we bumped from 26 to 28. Okay, let's check in the documentation what happened with Jest, because maybe we are ignoring just like important information. Mr. James, so last Friday we have an interview learning section with Nicolas Molina where I learned Angular. So I'm trying to invite like content creators from Latin America, and of course it's going to be in Spanish. But this Friday we are not having that because it requires it requires like a lot of preparation. And I have, as I said before, I have to prepare some slides from a workshop and for a talk that I'm going to give. I already have a talk for a conference approved. It's going to be online, but it's fair, and it's going to be in Spanish. That's good news. And I'm going to I shouldn't like reveal the topic, but it's more like career focus. Okay, so no, I need the major release. Major, yes. Features, okay, great. Good fixes, amazing. So what I want to check in the, there is no breaking changes? Apparently. Oh, breaking, yes. Oh, damn it. No, there is a lot of breaking changes. I just like forgot. Okay, so Yolk symbol, instead of just me, migrate, resolver function, remove some tiles, ports, okay, second argument to construct context, the break binding variable BA, APIs, migrate to yes modules. That might be a problem, but maybe not, because we are using Webpack, right? Use index instead of Jest as main export, okay, great, remove, it's a lot of stuff. Oh shit, rename config option name to ID. Snapshot matcher types are moved to Jest spec. What is that? Remove support for importing. Migrate. What again? It might be a duplicate or what? Maybe it's a duplicate. Oh. What is this? Spec. Okay. Only create transformer. No idea. Drop support for TypeScript. Okay. Drop support for no. Yeah. Okay. Look. 16, 13. Good. Okay, so that's 28. What about 27? What is 27? Give me 27. 27. Where is 27? This is like boring stuff, but it's what real programmers do. Upgrade their dependencies, It's like upgrade the dependencies is like your vitamins, basically. Eat your vitamins. Or vote. No, not vote. Vote. Vote or die. Upgrade the dependencies or die. Basically. Not everyone is fun. Not everyone. Not everything is fun. Installing new packages, testing new stuff. No. Real world. Involves boring tasks. And only senior developer upgrade their dependencies every 2 weeks. No, I'm joking. But now upgrade your dependencies, please, and get the vaccine. Kuriwi, buenas noches. Yes. So okay, I just going to speak in Spanish because you asked in Spanish. I'm really nice with Spanish speakers. Es precisamente lo que estamos haciendo hoy, y lo que hemos dicho es que primero actualiza tus dependencias lo más con la mayor frecuencia posible, cada 2 semanas, cada mes, cada 3 meses. O sea, esperar una vez al año para actualizar dependencias es terrible. Nosotros esperamos básicamente eso. Es la mejor forma de mantener como la menor cantidad de problemas a la hora de actualizar, porque lo haces lo más temprano posible. Obviamente no siempre se puede actualizar, pero digamos que Es un proceso interactivo, que al menos no es una tarea que estás dejando para lo último. Segundo, mi recomendación es hacerlo en 2 pasos. Primero, las dependencias menores y los patch, es decir, los 2 números de la derecha. Compruebas que tu proyecto funciona. Nosotros ya hicimos esto. Estaba funcionando el proyecto, los test corrieron. Y ya luego los major. Y los major lo que puedes hacer es como más o menos te toca deducir como que puede afectar qué. Nos dimos cuenta que los major que teníamos nos iban a ocasionar problemas de testing, problemas a la hora del linting, problemas a la hora de los hooks de commit y posiblemente problemas con el proyecto con la versión de React 18. Son 4 problemas, pero son 4 problemas diferentes, ¿ves? Entonces como que nos fuimos YOLO y como que no importa porque digamos que el proyecto, o sea, posiblemente el proyecto corra. No lo he probado, debería correrlo para ver si el proyecto corre. Pues como para tener la tranquilidad. Pero obviamente pues yo lo que quiero era como primero solucionar una cosa a la vez, los tests, luego correr el proyecto y ver. Entonces ahorita ya resolvimos el problema con la versión por defecto de Jest. Ya el ambiente por defecto no es Jest Done, sino Node, entonces hay que cambiarlo. Ahorita estamos solucionando el problema con los story shots. Corrieron los tests normales, pero no están funcionando los snapshots. And that's it. Josué, yes, exactly. That's what I'm doing. I just said in Spanish because I'm friendly with. I mean, this is going to be English, but Spanglish as well. Spanglish is slow. Okay. Yeah. So let's check. Let's check this. So it says how this overlapping anything. So basically, it says like cleanest way to separate snapshot matchers implementation from a spec. Just spec, standalone package. Okay. I didn't understand anything. No, okay. So yeah, I just want to see changes. Yeah. Looks like it's no. This is fantastic. Oh, great. Okay, no, sorry. I just read like really quick to see if give me some clues about if this is related with the way that we are, Okay, so is this? No, this is not. Oh, okay. So the project is not even working. Look, but this is the GS module. Okay. But this is already a problem. Oh, wait, but maybe the project is working. It's only the maybe. Wait. Let's see. Maybe. Yeah, it's no, it's not working. I mean, yes, it's working, but not. It's not working because the molecules. So if we go to... that's another project problem. If we go to... Where is it? Molecules. And we go to score. Oh my god, Yuka with data. Hey, Yuka with data. Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome. What were you doing with Yuka? Yeah, I know that, Vito. I know, but what I want to check if I remove the story. Can I remove the story? I guess. What if I, just like do this? It is no. I need to like comment the whole thing, right? Like, bye. It's going to work, maybe. I just want to see. I know, because we haven't had problems before with the SGV React thing. Okay, no, who is like requiring this? But this is so a shame that it's like breaking the whole storybook because this error. I mean, what if I remove the file? Can I remove the file? What if I just like do this? Shouldn't, right? But what? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's what I wanted to check. Oh. Okay. What? No. Okay. Maybe. What is happening? Yeah, it was rebuilding. Okay, so we have it. So the project is working. Apparently, it's only that this feature. That's a problem for the future. We one step at a time. Yeah, committing poor. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you. Yes. Of course. Yeah. Of course, it was reading the whole thing. Okay, so looks like it's working. Look, it's working. We haven't checked any molecule. Yeah, look. You know, with the animation and everything. Okay, so the project is fairly working. It's not that break. Amazing. Oh, I mean, yeah, we are not solving this. We are solving the problem with the test. So for those that just came, thank you for the array. Today I'm updating dependencies. That's a boring task as a developer we have to do. As I was saying before, the best way to tackle dependencies upgrade is do it as frequently as you can. Usually at work we do it like every 2 weeks. We rotate between developers, so we have a list, and then if you have a look, you have to upgrade the dependencies. And my recommendation, and that's kind of the first step for upgrade dependencies, like do it as frequently as you can. Do it every 2 weeks, every month, every quarter. Don't wait a year. No, don't wait a year. And then don't be like us in streaming. We haven't updated dependencies for a while. And then my second recommendation is like first upgrade, patch and minor versions. Make sure the project is working, the tests are running, right? We kind of have that. We realized that the project was working, the tests were running. Some stuff was broken with the commit, the commit messages, the committing and not the committing, the semantic, the committing. I think that was it, right? Yeah, that was broke. And finally, upgrade your majors, but be careful, because you want what we did, we went full with the majors, like we just upgrade everything because they were like different areas, like it was related with the test, it was related with the linter, it was related with the project itself. So it's like, it's not overlapping at all, like kind of. So yeah, we can go. And one thing that might happen is if you have a very, very old version of Node, you should also do that first, because usually is how it works. Like first you need to update your Node version, and then you worry about your dependencies. Hello, Viper0, how is everything? Okay, so so we're still having this issue. Yes, we are still having this issue. We were checking the the documentation, the release. So this is 27. We upgrade from 26 to 28. So far, I didn't find anything in the 28. So I'm just like want to check if there is anything like it gave me some clue about storybook. Another way to check this, it might be like story shots. That's the plugin. Story shots, just 27. Maybe there are issues. Yes, look this. Oh, but this is pretty new. Let me see. Close. Gray. Okay. Are you using Jest 27? Okay. Okay, wait. For anyone else running tweets, I found a temporary workaround based on the comment. Okay, let's check that comment. If you change the test target in your project to this, then it works correctly. What is the test target? What is the test target? Help us. I don't understand what is the test target. Config, just config, npm just. I don't really understand. It's like a lot of information. Like, what is exactly the test target? Like this? The target of the config, maybe? Oh, maybe we need to read the other comment, right? Okay, so it says, I was able to fix my issues with this configuration. So, oh, maybe it's the path. Maybe it's the path, right? Let me see. Yeah, I guess he's not able to now to define close order. Okay, so, wait. No, but I'm not doing multi-snapshot but with options. Okay, utils, match media mog. Config pack. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, so it's definitely the config. Okay, it's definitely the config. Okay, let's check the other comment. I think so, and this is like 11 days ago. That's nice. Show me, dog. Nice. I think that's definitely the issue. Okay, this is the comment. So when he changed the app project, Looks like it works. Okay, okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. So we could import like path, you know. I guess it's a nice way to, you know, do it from path. I'm just going to put it in the top because this is like a Node.js, you know, thingy. And then if I put config path, aha, look. Then I can like resolve like the current dir name, yeah. Wait, is knowing the root already? Why that is so? Oh, maybe wait. Oh no. Okay, the crux of the issue seems to be by default storybook story choice cannot find the storybook directory. Aha. Specific to the uplist being tested, which must provide with the config path option. On the was said, all the stories were discovered and subsequently have to configure framework and renderer to resolve some runtime issues and everything. Aha, okay, but this is weird. Why config path is like the storybook? That's strange. I mean, really? Storybook? Is going to be this the solution? Really? I don't know. I feel something is like their name not works on CN. Oh really? You have to use import meta URL. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so wait. No. Oh wait. Okay. No. Right. We don't have to. That's true. Like it's already there. Look. He was trying to, you know, go to the top. Are we? Oh yeah. What? Oh. Wait. What am I doing? I'm using resolve. What the fuck? Okay. No. It's the same. It's the same shit. Okay, that's not the error, but that's not the error. Oh, the renderer. Maybe the renderer. Maybe the I will change. Okay, I guess I okay, framework. Maybe I'm missing that two things, right? The renderer and the framework. But is it still like the I will expect a different error, right? I will expect a different error. Testing library, really? I have testing library, right? Probably. I will expect a different error. Yeah, I have that one. I will expect a different error. Looks like it's working now, but I'm going to remove the config path. Oh no, but it kind of tried to do it. Why? What is config path? Story shots config path. Now I have like 1000 config path parameter. Okay, let's check. Config path. Okay, the config parameter must be a function that has configured storybook like the preview. Okay, right. If it's not specified, story shots will try to use config path parameter. But no, config. The config must be okay. Wait, configure. Sorry, I was looking like the bad thing. By default, story assumes that the config directory path for your project is below. It's story for React. It's story for React Native. That's okay, right? It's how it should. Maybe should I do this? I don't know. It might be this necessary. My storybook config there. Okay, so that's like a really bad name. It should be like, you know, like storybook path or storybook config path, something like that. Also, as more complex sample, if we have a package in our learner project. Okay, this is the result. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is definitely for the storybook folder. Okay, but maybe that Vito, as you mentioned, maybe we need like import mera URL, because now it's supposed that this is like ES modules, and you know, ES. What is the import meta URL? This. What is this? Like results? Like path, la path results. Is result? Yes. You see? Oh, it's their name, the one. Sorry, my bad. Alternative. Sorry, it's their name. So there is an alternative 10. Yeah, this one in the browser, but this is not the browser. This is Node.js. This is Node.js. You just like directly. Okay, so I can use like import, as you say, mera URL. That's the way. Oh, metal. Oh. Okay, maybe it's that. I mean, because it feels like it's definitely like, I mean, that's what the guy said, right? But that would be pretty strange. Oh, so yeah. So yeah, look, now it's finding. Now we have a different error. Like, look, that's amazing. That's why I mean, this is kind of the thing that I love about doing, you know, streaming. You find people that help you. That's interesting. But is nobody talking about that in the storybook repository? Because now, yeah, you see, that's amazing. Oh, wait. It's common. How I like remove? Yeah, exactly. So I guess I can do just this as before, right? I mean, without the trailing. And then now I have another problem, but I'm curious. Wait, I'm curious about why he's not having that issue. I mean, if it looks like 11 days ago, probably has like Jest, like really new version of Jest. If I go here, I am curious about who, because you know, if we solve this issue, we might help another person. Look, what is this? 27. With version 14, Real Mode Federation, but this is 27 April. Issue was as 13. What is this? Okay. This is interesting. Okay, wait. So now it says, oh, wait. We have a different error. Yeah, so it says, yeah, no, I know I have, it's a different error. I mean, for me, a different error is a small winning, right? So it says, oh, but this is a different error. Like now it encountered just a token. No. Early celebration. It says like, by default, the mode for is not but transformers. Out of the bot, just support Babel, which is used to transform. But it says cannot use import outside a module. No way. Do I have to change my whole project to use ECMAScript modules? Maybe. This is new, right? Jest chips with experimental support for the ECMAScript modules, ESM. Okay. Can I just like, or maybe, wait. Maybe no. So hey, that Vito, I guess he's not by default using ECMAScript modules, right? No, because then I have to do the whole thing, and I don't think so. Yeah, it says import meta. No, I don't know. I don't know. I feel this is no. I mean, it's fine. Like if we do like this, right? If we just do something like console log, no. I mean, I wanted to believe that was going to be the case, right? Yeah, exactly. It's like you need to enable as experimental, yeah. But I know that we saw the note, right? We saw the note. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But it's nice to know that with the ES modules, you cannot use their name. That's nice. So let's see what's it here. Why not seeing my log? Why not seeing my log? Maybe I need an error. Console error. Maybe. Is that why? Wait, but we checked the other. Oh shit! Sorry, my bad. Ah, man. No, it's not printing. It's not printing. What if we search this keyword again? What if we search this keyword again? Oh no. It's just like this thing and the close thingy. Okay, but that's nice. Like someone tried this. Man. But we already saw that, right? When we did this, he was saying like another thing. Like we can't resolve that, right? Let me see if I request. How's everything? We're trying to make we just updated dependencies and Jest with the storybook is not working at all. So yeah, so I think that's kind of correct, like because if you check, yeah, it's like going up one directory. This is very dangerous, you know. Like, I mean, well, it's not like a variable, but it's quite dangerous. And yeah, we are saying like, hey, yeah, the storybook folder is here. I feel like, but then it's like he doesn't really care. He's just like, I mean, I know it's there, and probably this is kind of the default. There is a default stream for this. Looks like. No. So okay, main stories maybe. Okay, maybe something here. Layout. Oh, maybe it's my configure my yes. Maybe it's this, right? Maybe some React configuration. No. The SVG thingy. Maybe. Let me see. Kind of just remove this just in case we have an issue with this before, right? So Bean. Okay, Bean doesn't want to help me, so delete word. Let's do Bean stuff. Okay. I mean, let's see. No, but this is so damn it. What is it? But 11 days ago, so by default. But no, but you know what, this might be a different problem, because NX, if I not wrong, this is for the how do you call it, like multi-repo thing. NX to monorepo is for a monorepo, and I guess it makes sense that they are having this issue because the config path by default doesn't know where is it. So I think this is not the problem at all. This is not the problem. Definitely. Okay, and looks like the other thing that we change is not even. Yeah. That's definitely not the problem. That's because they are like doing some monorepo configuration, so it's expected, right? It's expected. But in our case, this is like, that's working. What is it? What is it? You know, what is it? Like multi snapshot, maybe the extension? No, this is the way that we want to. Okay, yeah, like what is the name on the snapshots, right? So I decided to change it. Let me check again, right? If I go here, snapshot, yeah, that's correct. That's the, I put that extension so I can like highlight the code of the snapshot, so I can like picture this much better. Okay, that's fine, but render, React, for the framework renderer, where is it? Do you check here? I mean, I checked the official React documentation. I think we already saw this, but let's check it again. Like, you know, yeah, add, and then we do add-ons, right? Yeah. We have an extra configuration, that's for sure. I still can use, like, you know, I still can try to run it without all that configuration. I still can do, yeah, I mean, it is going this to fail because of that? Probably not. I mean, do they care about it? No, this is just like, you know, linting stuff, right? I still can try to run it without my extra configuration. Let's see. Configure your app for Jest. No, it's still saying error. I feel this. Okay, no. So this is no. It's still saying error. I'm just going to remove whatever is like not working at all, because I mean it's like, yeah, the framework, the render function is not doing shit. But it says in many cases for create app is already configured for Jest. You need to create a file name with extension test.js. Okay, that's correct. If you still need configured Jest, you can use resource mentioned below. Get started. Okay, that's fine. Oh, maybe. Wait. Configure Jest to work with Webpack. Require context. If you are using a storybook file, trees main to list story files, this is no longer needed. What? Oh, wait. Okay, this is good information. Maybe this thing. Oh, wait. Yes. I think this has changed. So how do I know that I'm using Webpack 5 with the storybook? How do I know? How do I know? There is a way to check. If you read the story of API, this is new. Damn it, this is new. Here is a component. Yeah, I'm using this one definitely. So wait. Okay, maybe, yeah. Oh, okay, this is different. Okay, this is different now. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe, yeah. Okay, so yeah, okay, let's read this. Thank you, Dalvito. I did something. Yeah, I did React, right? So it says phone Webpack 4.450. Yeah. Okay. Look. So this is for what? Storybook add-on essential. This is crazy. Like Storybook is supporting both right now, but you need to do the change. So Webpack 5. So as you see, like Storybook, React, Webpack 5. Storybook, React depends on it. But if I put the storybook, look, storybook, Webpack 5. I remember there was some kind of configuration, but let me see here. Yes, Webpack. So display your company in custom web application using Webpack. Default configuration. How do you know which one? I think you need this, right? Code display team support to the configuration flag. Okay, Webpack 5. Okay, look, the storybook, and in just like hitting the thing. Story will build your project with Webpack 4 by default, okay? If your project uses Webpack 5, you can opt in with the Webpack 5 builder by installing the required dependencies. Okay, you need to install that, and then you need to do this. And then you can do like lazy compilation. Okay. Extending the storybook's Webpack config. I kind of want to do this already because Vercel, but next, if I know wrong, next is using, no, next is using another thing, right? It's using their own. Next uses Webpack 5. See, they're using SBuild or something like that. Let me see. Your application currently has Webpack 5 disabled using Webpack 4. Okay, this is like now. Adoption. Oh, it's enabled by default, right? What? Yes, as default for compilation. But where is this message? Ah, okay. What if I go to the docs and just find Webpack? Upgrading from 11 to 12, Webpack 4 has been removed. Okay, okay. I think we want to go to Webpack 5, right? Hey, Leo! Hey, thank you for the biddies. How is everything? Yes. So, okay, yeah, I think I definitely want, but this is not like Webpack 5 related, right? This is not Webpack 5 related. What I thought it was Webpack 5 because the Storybook 5 main list is no longer needed. Okay, so we are using this format, right? So if I go to the, I'm scared because this main configuration is really different now. What does it mean? Required module. I guess what I can do is go to a storybook, going to search main JS, maybe. Nope, they have this already. Okay. What? No. Why am I like? Okay. No. This is. What the fuck? Configure Jest to work with Webpack requires context. If you are using Storybook 5 to main Jest to lead storybooks, this is no longer needed. Sometimes you use to configure a storybook with Webpack require context feature. You could. So this is definitely this file. Maybe it's because the story shots. What the fuck? Option 1. The problem here is it will work only during the build with Webpack. Other tools might lack this feature. Since Storybook is running under Jest, StoryShot is running under Jest, we need to modify this functionality to work with Jest. The easiest way is to integrate it to Babel. You can do this Babel plugin or macro. If you're using Create React app, use the macro. Plugin. Babel plugin require context hook, dev. Next, it needs to be registered and loaded before each text. To register, okay, this feels like a lot of work. Macro. What is the macro? Okay. Require context from require context macro. Configure Jest for React. The StoryShot add-on for React is dependent of React test render, but doesn't install it. So you need to install it depend. Okay. Okay, so this changed a lot. What the? This changed a lot. Like, what the fuck? What is this? Are we already look this? Okay, Feature support for frameworks. Storybook integrates with many popular front-end frameworks. Aha. Core frameworks. What it that means? Oh, if it's story shots is like support with different frameworks, I guess. HTML snapshots. Oh, I guess this is just for HTMLs. But it gets for Jest. What is this required context thingy? Oh, so we are just upgrading dependencies and we already have a problem with Jest. We are trying to figure out. We have solved some issues. Just a story shot. And I'm trying to figure out. This is super hard. So required with expression. So what is that? This is like yes. Okay, no, this is like everything. Okay, dependency management. What is this? Required content. You can create your content with required context function. I don't know, man. I don't. Damn it. This is no longer needed. But this message, what it means? Like required context? Module? What is module? Maybe you have like a required context configuration. Do I have that required context somehow? No, but this is like sort of component. I don't have that. Dependency management. But I have seen this. What is this storybook? Configure storybook. What is this? This feels like different. What is this? Storybook for React. What is that? Has changed? I mean, it has changed. What is the storybook? Yeah, it's here, but why the configuration different? I feel like this documentation is like very different, and also we already updated for 6 and it was working. The only thing that we modify, if you go here, the only thing that we modify, it wasn't really storybook, it was Jest. It was Jest. Yeah, it was Jest, and Jest update was what it broke it, but still we don't have the issue. I don't know. Render. Oh no. Damn it. Okay. Let's try again. Story shots. Just 28. Let's go straight for. Yeah. Story shots. Story shots. How is written story shots? Storybook. Story shots. Yeah. Story. What did I? Okay. Filter. What is this? I don't know. Story shots. What is that? Oh, look. Oh, is this like the official version? What the fuck? No, this is like the old version, right? Wait. This is like different. Oh man. No, and this is what we were reading before, right? This is like the official documentation, but last update 1 day ago. Add on story shots, and that's the package that that's the package that I'm using. But and we already tried the default like configuration. Oh wait, I missed this. React 16. No, but we already have that. Make sure you have added the JSON station to file model stations. No, but that's different. Please make sure you are using Jest done as the test environment in your Jest config file. We already do that, right? We already did it. Like if we go here, just config, we already, yeah, Jest done. So that's correct. We already did that. Pay content, getting started. You need to create a file with extension test. Okay, wait. Why is that? A workaround? No, this is 2017. Man, I am super lost here. I don't know what is kind of what we need to. How do we fix it? I mean, oh, it's a shame. It's like it's not finding the story shots. Why? I mean. Maybe this change is find the helpers, definitely. Is finding the, what else is finding? The layout, tokens, atoms, layout, stories. Maybe the main, okay, can we check one more time? Let's check one more time. Can we check the main file? Main. Because I remember I changed the stories. Okay, yeah. Letter to your main.js. Okay, the stories. Right. So this is related to this exact file, right? So we go up and we are supporting like tokens, atoms, molecules, layout, and we are searching everything that's the stories.js. Yeah, I mean, that's it, right? But it still feels like the config path thing, it was kind of related. Man, I hate this. It's just using like webpack file, maybe. What is store version flag? Configure storyboard to load stories on demand rather than button up features. Feature flags. What if I run build? What if I run like story jar build? Let me see. Well, no, that's going to maybe work because we already saw that the project was working. I don't know, man. Like, it feels like story shots, and the problem is like story shots, report, story shots. You know what? We have another thing. We can find. There is a Discord, storybook like Discord channel. And maybe they have support. Maybe they already have this issue already. Let me see. What was the error? Like, no. Nay. No, this is 20. Okay. And this is what? Just 27. But this is Angular. Nobody says anything. Maybe. Nobody's saying anything. Okay, what if I search story shots? Today, yeah, no es Nacho, no uses story shot. The new statement is Nacho, diamond visual test. If something happened. Storybook 7. But this is like a oncoming release, right? Okay. Pre-release, but what is happening? Three shots. No. I'm just trying to see if I found, you know, some clue. But this is like today. What is happening here is testing. Yes, not snapshotting, no, it's in a story shot. The new test image, that's why I mentioned visual test. Okay. Looks like nobody's having this issue. Really? Like no one. Am I the only one? Just who is this? I'm running a trouble with some of my components running my storage test. File to parse the file. That's the other error that the guy was having. But I mean, just config storage chats. Storage chats. Yes, done. Okay. Does anyone know that were these questions here? Okay. Oh, look, there is an story shots thingy. Wait. What? This add-on is not receiving active development anymore and can have trouble with some of the newer Studio features. Really? Oh, Storybook maintainers are currently designing a replacement for this add-on. By nature of the add-on, many questions here completely require different start of the project, which likely... Okay. What? Okay, so we'll use blah 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 implementation, but yeah, okay, but this is a different error. Damn it. Okay, so there is something. Okay, wait. There is something related like 27 new default for Jest. Oh my god. Okay, but we are like landing somewhere, right? Flipping defaults. Okay, so this is like the what we read. Change the default test environment from Jest done to no. Snapshot resolver. Maybe that. The same done test call but might not call more than once. The call return a promise. Okay, test environment. So apparently if I come back to 26, it's going to be fine. But I'm worried about the message before about the story shots. Like it's not longer maintaining. What else is happening? For a regular browser. I'm trying to make stories for company which use Comba, blah blah blah. But they just display a banned story book without any error. No, okay, it's not the same. Okay, wait. Hi, I'm using storybooks together with add-on and storage Puppeteer. It's the same. Unfortunately, Puppeteer doesn't send to respect the viewport story snapshots. Explicitly set the viewport in the I can't fix the viewport, but what is this? You can read parameters of context in the before screen function argument. Design option to Jest, man. They can use page out. Okay, this is different. I mean, we can't give up, right? But what I'm saying, like, I'm worried about what they mentioned about the snapshot testing. So I wonder what is going to be like the new default thing. This is like, I mean, like that's kind of the last activity here, right? Like February, like he has to downgrade to 20. I wonder what is going to be like. Let me see. What is this information like? The storybook maintenance are currently designing a replacement for this add-on. That's also kind of the problem, right? Like maybe we just encounter. When was the last? I mean, when was the release? No, but it's maybe 20. Maybe it works with 27, but not 28. I can't believe that we are the only ones. Like Jest releases when 28 was released, right? Oh, 1 week. Maybe. No, but this is 28/7. Wait. No. Look, May. It's impossible. Like no one's 25 April. I mean, that's long time ago. I mean, I don't believe we are the only ones that are having this problem. I mean, because this is like 25, right? But maybe when was the last release of? Oh, but we have a new release of a storybook. 6.5. That's definitely new. I'm trying to understand why we are the only ones. On 5. Well, May 25. Well, a couple of weeks, right? New workflows to make you more productive. What happened? Interaction testing, Figma plugin, lazy compilation, beta builder, hundreds of more fixes and implementing bugs. Okay, maybe that's the reason, right? Shit. How can I complain about this? Wait, it was the same error? Like this guy was just file to parse a file. Okay. 11 days. So 11 days. Damn it. What was the last version of a storybook? Can I downgrade? I don't know. I don't feel like officially supports Bit as build engine, but I don't think it is the default configuration, right? Okay, so those are the tests. So Webpack 5 is faster, I guess. Smaller is better. Oh no, smaller is better. Oh look, Bit publish take more. 5. Okay, but this is like what is LC? Webpack 5 with some configuration, right? No man, and it's not time to to move to Bit. That will be too much. So my question is, oh look, you can do the upgrade if you are coming from 5 earlier. No, but we were in 5. I mean, what was the difference here? Like the difference. What is a storybook? Storybook. But I don't see anything. Am I blind again? What is this? My component? Yeah. This is component. Oh, wait, because yeah, I had some changes here. No, but what? I don't understand. No, I did it before, right? I did it before. Link, semantic release. Yeah. I mean, I did before. It was this. It was exactly this. Jest. Okay, so a storybook. Oh, okay. So it was definitely Jest. It could be it. Okay, let's try. Ah, man, really? Fucking Jest. Let's try to. Let's try to move to Jest. Okay, I mean, but it's fine. I mean, we can be still like be blocked the whole time. If I change my Jest version. Where is Jest? No, but if I change it to 26, do I have to remove the changes again? What it says, it has like a simplified API. Oh, the Vite API. Yeah, but you know, it's not time to. What is happening? Oh yeah, no. It's not time to move to beta because also we share some configuration between Next and you know, Storybook. Okay, if we go and we search Jest, yes, and we put like, oh, but then no, but then we have this. Okay, doesn't really matter. I just want to check if we do this. So if I run yarn, it's going to work, right? It's going to remove the version. Like yarn don't gray package. Set version. No, this is different. So no one's. Oh, okay, so you can do that. Okay, I guess, right? Yeah, if you go here, it's like change, and also it changed a lot of stuff. Okay, turn test. Going to work? Maybe not. Also, there is a way to put like comments, like yarn package comments. I forget like that. Well, what is the commenting? Yes. No, it's not like working. Damn. Not commenting. No. There is a way to put comment, like resolutions comment, like yarn resolutions comments package. No, this is for. Okay, no, it's just very slow. Okay. So, okay. No, this is for 28 because the new default in Jest 27 is the. So JS DOM is just like the DOM environment simulate into Node.js because Node.js doesn't have DOM, right? So usually because the tests in Jest, at least this kind of tests are running Node.js, you kind of need to like simulate, you know, that DOM environment for the testing. So yeah, I mean, it looks like that kind of make the treat. Of course, we are having other issues like reading test environment options. Kind of undefined. I guess this is because we already changed this config, right? And maybe this is like different. If I move this, maybe let me see. What was the package? No, it's exactly the same. Maybe why? Cannot undefined. Test environment options. What if I change to, you know, to 27? What was the last version of 27? Because that was the change of 27. What was before 28? What's before 28? Alpha, C, 28. Before 28. I guess we have the tags here, maybe. Yeah, easier, right? 27. Okay, so if I install like yarn upgrade Jest 27 is like that, right? Yeah, 27.5.51 going to work. And then maybe I want like change this, right? Chispitas, hey! Oh, Chispitas. Yeah, that's a hard issue. I know. There is a solution for that. But right now, can you go to Discord? If you go to the Discord channel, I mean Discord server, command Discord, we can help you with that. Because right now we have our own problems with the versions. Okay, yeah. So this package. Just want to know. And also we are asking for help in other Discord. No, we haven't asked for help yet. But yeah. Keep up, yes. No. Oh, it's like, oh, this is a report. Okay, right? Okay, test. Yeah, looks like that worked. Yeah, that worked. What I don't know is this thing, right? Maybe I need to use the 27, but how do I know the versions of this? Maybe the... How do I know? Like dependencies, versions. Okay. Oh, look. Yes. Nice. Oh, same version. Okay, look. Okay. I'm an idiot. Now I need to change this back. And then what I can do again is like go to 27.5, right? For this one. So if I just install the 27 here, so jar upgrade, gray, 27.5.1. Of course. What? Need to write this correctly. Where is my... Oh, I don't see the... What? I don't see the cursor. Okay, I can't play this game. Jar upgrade. Okay, yeah, that's the version. Okay, so that's the last version. How is the way to put like a comment versions package JSON? Maybe this is just made up. Yes, this is. Yeah, this is funny. Like this. It's a key. That's like script comments, not just mailing list. Oh, but what the fuck? Okay, yeah, you can use array or multiple keys, right? Okay, so this is kind of the way to do it. Okay, so why I'm thinking about comments, because I will comment if this work with Jest 27. I will comment we can't update Jest 28 because storage shots. It's a way to maintain the issue, right? Oh, okay. Look. That Vito has some information. Hey, man, thanks. Aha, React 18 introduced a new rolled API. Oh, look, there is stuff. Okay. No, so it's still in 27. We are having the issue. Damn. Okay, so sorry, React will auto detect your R version, but I don't know. It's not that. Okay, if you wish to opt out the new API, okay, so we need this. I don't know. It might be that. Maybe. Let's do that. I mean, maybe because it's going to read this file anyway, right? But I don't know that bit. I feel, I mean, the issue is like it's not finding the test files. No. What else? To open support for the add-on actions, the corrector. Do we have it? Name. Detail will rename. The prepared register JS. We don't have that. Add-on register. Do we have register? No, we don't have register. No. Doc framework refactor for React. Okay, wait. No, this is Docs framework. Moves framework specialization. Add time frames, dynamic add-on docs, and specific framework package to which apply. Okay. Okay, but that's more like from the docs, add-on docs. That's important. That's important stuff. Auto title improvements. Yeah, we don't need the title in theory. That's what I read. It's going to be easier and easier. Wait. Oh, okay, but this is the auto title. No, I don't see any. I don't see any like reasons. Okay, so let's go a little bit back into Jest again, because it feels like Jest releases npm. I really like the the npm version of the releases. I guess it's easier to navigate, right? So we had 2027 and the last was 2026. Okay, so can I just like, that's not needed, right? We don't need the 26, right? 26, or maybe yes, 26. 2 years ago. Oh shit! This feels really wrong, but it's okay. I mean, we will figure out. I just want to verify, and this has like 26 exists. Okay, looks like it exists. Really? But I guess it's a okay. I guess it doesn't really matter because then, so we can remove this from that part and just check. Three million downloads. Okay. 4 million. Okay. 28. Not that many. Okay. But still the problem starts in 27. Did I? Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, it's fine. Well, there is like an error here. Why there is okay, yarn test. It was working, right? In 26. Sorry, yeah, this is like okay. Just config is okay now. Man. And this is just one, this is kind of the first problem that we have with the upgrade. So can you imagine how it's going to be the whole week with the other packages? Man, this is going to be crazy. This is going to be crazy. Where should I like put the, I guess I definitely should put it on top of the dependencies, right? Because those comments are kind of from my dependencies. I don't know, it's taking that much time. Okay, this is another error. Oh, but this is because I need to like first build tokens probably, and then I can run the test. Hey Kevin, what is happening is like we update the major dependencies and everything is super broken. We try to fix, well, not really. Like the project in Storybook is like working. Like it builds the project. We need to fix another issue, right, with the SVG in React, the React SVG plugin, inline React SVG, something like that. I don't really remember what is the name of that project. SVGR project, yes. Oh, it's just called like that, SVGR. Okay, so we are having an issue with that, but that's another story. But then when we run the test, we were having an issue with the story shots and the snapshot testing, and looks like they story shots is kind of a maintained library right now, and they are working in another solution. For some reason this was working, and now what is this error? I cannot read properties undefined. Read the current. What are you talking about? It's because my renderer, I mean, that didn't change, right? Reading current, but this is like the molecule. Okay, no, this is everything. Okay, it's still story shots. What other change I did? I mean, I just changed the test render library. And in theory, the default thing, reading current. No, what? Probably I have to like reinstall everything again. Oh wait, but this is like add-on story shows like React test renderer. Oh wait. Right. I know what is happening. Like, probably because I have this. I still have this. Maybe. No. React test render development. I installed that test renderer. Yeah, I installed something. Man. Last time, if this doesn't work, we stop today. We go to the bed. You know, we think about it. we cry before the sleep. And I don't know. I mean, I feel like my only chance is just kind of ask here. But oh, look. This is exactly the same error. Cannot reproduce current define. I mean, well, different. Oh man, like, man, I feel like, you know, like if I just like bring more like issues here, we are not going to like get any answer, because this answer here, like, man, this is like, damn it. And also it's kind of, I really want to use a story version 7 or whatever. So what is the alternative of story shots? I mean, it's a really cool plugin. What is information about that? The future of story shots. Storybook, because the story shots looks like it's another thing. No. Oh, look. There is something recent. Even though the story shots add-on exists, which allows the improv, blah blah blah, various blogs around story integration with Jest, like this. This. We just implemented story shot after finding that the add-on via Google searching, but now we have discovered that other blog posts with completely separate approaches. We wonder if we should switch. Great question. Okay, full answer. Oh yeah, this is the full answer. So is the same guy? No, this is another guy, and this is a maintainer, right? Okay. So great question. We recently introduced the new testing mechanism in Storybook, blah blah. Storybook was the original testing tool for Storybook. It was that simple to set up, and you go down a snapshot for free story. Unfortunately, there are a bunch of things wrong with this architecture implementation. Nevertheless, it might only gain in town or a while, so well used. Test runner is intended to be a new way to test stories. Test runner. Okay. It's the same? Yeah, it's the same. Oh, damn it. Okay. Maybe we have to change, and that's it, right? And bye-bye, story shows. We just released the first version, so 3 is still some work to create a direct grade path from story shots. In the meantime, you can get a smoke test for all your stories, and also write interaction tests on top of the stories when you need them. Okay. Testing React is a secondary new way to test stories. I read about this, and this looks pretty cool. It's really just a way to make stories more portable and reusing tests, and it means that you can write whatever arbitrary setup, tear down code you want to whatever testing tool you choose, in some sense and some more flexible scale hatch to the test runner. I would recommend use the test runner. You should be able to get 80% of the value of the story choice today. With any luck, we will release some enchantment to give the other 20%, should you need it. In the next couple of months, we will also be documenting all this better and picture takes shape. In the meantime, has recently updated testing handbook with the current best practices. Okay, the handbook day is in progress. Your interaction testing chapter. So, okay, rabbit on team. So, I mean, it feels like Wi-Fi. Hey, darling, how is everything? We're speaking English today, darling. How is your English, by the way? So, I mean, it feels like story choice is just old paper. How do you say that? Like old paper? Yeah, old paper. Yeah, I mean, we are not even able to run this anymore. What the fuck? Oh man. Oh man. So yeah, I mean, and this is like really like, you know, we already saw this core discussion about story shots. We already read this, you know, question. I guess we have some, you know, task. We need to like read about these two approaches, right? Testing React, testing live storybook, testing live storybook. Yeah, we need to read about this. It was February 23. And this is a new thing. No, this is like different. Okay, this is different. Different. Really? Testing React is a secondary new way, but but then you have like test runner is intended. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, let's give some, you know, let's give some like reading. You had some task, and let's just like move this to the new jar. So I'm just going to run jar upgrade interactive again. I use like the interactive, and then latest. It feels like we found an answer with regarding the story chat's configuration. It's a shame. And then yeah, like let's do this one. And what was the last version? Well, we already have the changes here, right? But yeah. Okay. Yes, yeah. And then we changed the default one for this. Yeah, that's kind of the thing, right? And we will have to disable the storybook test. Yeah, we need to disable them. And as these guys say, this component interaction with the storybook. What was this answer? Thanks for answering. One thing with the way that test running is said, it looks like Jest is using test storybook. How do you write other unique tests and run both then using Jest? Set up the coverage test. Okay. Also, I set this out as a dependency as mentioned. Like, okay, storybook Jest, storybook. Oh, there is like storybook Jest. Oh, interesting. Storybook test runner. Okay, I guess we need to move, right? Although test runner uses Jest under the hood, we recommend that you run it separate from your other Jest tests. Oh, really? The rationale in that is that test runner has its own. Wait. Oh, right. Jar install. What happened there? Oh, because I changed the package JSON. Which Discord channel asked my question about issue as anything right? Yes. That will be the channel. I might answer tomorrow if no one's answered your question. Because it's 12:30 a.m. here. And I guess it's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Damn it. Okay, what it says, we want to be able to change it into the future. Okay, the rationale is that test runner has its own custom configuration. We prefer to abstract away things. You can interact in complex ways with your project just config. However, if you want to run all the tests at once, okay, you need to test run eject. Okay, so test runner is kind of a wrapper. And we create just config that can merge. Oh man, this feels like okay, this feels like also like a mess. This is so sad. This is so sad. Okay, yarn test. So sad with the story shots. I mean, because they are not doing like this smooth transition, and this has been happened before. Like story shots usually is like it's a really good idea, but it doesn't have that much love. So yeah, so we go back to you know, a score 1. And what I'm going to do, what is the best way to, like, you know, like remove this? Maybe rename storybook test, like rename to deprecate. What is the best way to like temporarily hide this? Because if I remove this, I'm going to have an error. Maybe like, yeah, maybe like rename it, like, oh man, what is the best way? Maybe test, maybe like that, and it's going to ignore it, maybe. Yeah, it's going to ignore it, but this is so sad, you know, regarding the story shots. So, I mean, at least the project works. So I guess my plan is going to focus on the other issues. Like first the, you know, inline React SVG thing. Then I might go for the committee send. Probably that's going to be fun. If I try to commit, like right now, I'm going to have a lot of errors with the link. So I'm going to that way, like try to fix the React thing, or maybe because right now we have commented it, maybe the linter. I don't know. Whatever order is fine, right? But it's so sad. But at least, I mean, we knew for sure that the, you know, the patch and minor releases are okay, and now we have more information, and that's a win, right? Now we know that story shots is going to the end. No, it's going to be deprecate. There is no like a real workaround. You know what I want to do, maybe for the guy that put the solution. No, but that was because the workspaces, right? That solution is for the workspaces. Maybe they are not using like Jest 28. Maybe they are not using the latest version of Storybook, and that's why it's working for them. And you know, so yeah, I guess what I'm going to do is cry. Well, not exactly cry, but yeah, we need to focus on the other problems and just wait a little bit until there is like a real solution for the story shots. I don't know. I mean, this is kind of new, right? This when was May? Yeah, this was May 2. We're in June. It's a pretty recent question, and I don't know. It feels like we should have like more answers, but that's the problem with tools, you know. That's why I usually recommend like, hey, don't have that many dependencies, because dependencies create this kind of issue. And now, yeah, and now it's happening. And the other issue is like there is no like any other clue or idea why this is broken. I can't figure out. It's like it's not just like loading the, you know, the snapshots. Super like hidden. So yeah, Chispitas, like this is you're working on a project. Yeah, I mean it's the same project that you were, you know, looking at, like the invalihood call. If you check like the whole YouTube like list, is related to that project. So we are like updating dependencies. As I say, that's the work. Like encounter these issues. As the invalidhood call, we didn't have that much information. But I know the thing is like I'm not even happy with the answer. You know, I'm not even happy with the answer. Like, because it says like cover 80%, it's smoke test, and then the test runner has its own configuration. Maybe I just need to, you know, read the article and try to see if should I move to the test runner approach, you know, the interaction testing. Maybe that's the way, right? And then I will, like have my own conclusions, because it feels like that's the way. I mean, that's the way, and that's what you need to accept when you use this kind of tools. Whatever path they decide to go, you need to follow them, or implement your own version. I mean, do a fork, and that's what it usually happens when people is like not really happy about these kind of decisions. And then we have another tool with, you know, with other approaches. Good news is like in reality this project relies mostly in the story shots, right? The other kind of tests were minimal. Like basically the other tests, they were like just a few tests, like 6 tests. So it's not that hard. Maybe it's also another opportunity to try the Node.js test. I don't know. I mean, we don't really know what is going to be the answer. We need to take decisions, and that's what I'm going to kind of do in the offline. And I will see if it's worth it to, you know, talk about this. Maybe, you know, put an issue, or just complain the story shots. Discord channel. I don't know. It feels like really strange, but we already know that the new, you know, the Webpack 5 and other things that we want to use. I mean, it will be really nice if we can use those, and probably we are going to use those, especially the Webpack 5, because Next is using Webpack 5. So this problem of a story choice, it might appear in the other situation with Webpack 5. So, I mean, it's kind of the conclusion. We need to disable the story shots by now. I mean, it's still we could just write our own snapshot testing. It's not that difficult. We still could use the story of approach. Yeah, we still can use that one. What was it? Like, let me see. It was like, what is the name of this guy? Corey House. Let me see. Corey House Twitter. He mentioned this nice thingy about use. Let me see. Put a tweet. Can we check Corey House tweet? Hopefully this guy doesn't have that many tweets. 10 lessons, real estate. No, he's a great guy. He has nice courses, you know, about React and everything. No, I don't want to. Okay, oh, nice. Router. It was a very, very, very like recent tweet. Load. You don't need to fetch use effect. Where is it? Maybe I'm wrong. Let's check. It should return. Okay, he's doing testing stuff. Corey, give me the tweet that I need. Yeah. This is the Jest is fast, but its output is hardware and testing component. The solution, Visual Jest output. So they have the testing React. This is like the but this is testing React. This is kind of the answer, right? Testing React. I want to give it a because here's like testing React. So look, so basically instead of put like the story, how is it? No, like basically you import the story and you do the assertion. Yeah. Test from scratch and written Jest test against the storybook stories. Testing React project. But what is the difference? I mean, I feel like there is like a big difference with this and testing React. Yeah, this is like testing React. Man. Oh, testing React. 27 days ago. Like the problem, yours storybook, the solution, testing React. This is a really good alternative. I mean, this is the new way. Primary, secondary. I mean, I don't really understand, but yeah, I don't know, man. Those are tools. That's fine. So I'm beginning on React. I can find this where I can project. Yeah, Chispita. Sorry. I mean, yeah, the invalid hook is complicated. If I know running the next video of the series, I explain it better, much better. Well, I mean, I'm so glad that you were here. Thank you so much for joining me in this English talk. Tomorrow we have a streaming tomorrow. Yes, we will have a streaming tomorrow. Probably we are going to continue with this problem, you know. If I don't have the time to read this stuff offline, probably we will do it in the streaming, you know. That's the idea, like learn together. So we will you know, check how to test stuff with the storybook. And yeah, that will be. I don't think. Yeah, it's very late. I'm just going to sleep, so I'm not going to rate anyone. Or probably I should. I mean, why not? The thing is, like, we are going to rate someone that speaks English, because that's the way, you know, to do more networking. Let me see if there is someone that I know. Someone that deserves an opportunity. Oh, look, like Gonzi, but Gonzi is like what is he doing? Gonzi is doing like a lot of stuff. In English, we're just going to put English just to make sure. There is this guy, Moneybag at SAS, a lot of business. Who else? Python and Kiwi for working. Let's support a girl. What is she doing? Python and Kiwi. Ambivalent bunny. Early short string today. Okay, I don't do Python, but yeah, I mean, yeah, let's support her. She has a lot of viewers right now, but you know, it's a good support. So if you want to see some Python, you know, go there, say hi. I can't stay, I need to sleep, probably. That's kind of the idea. But yeah, again, thank you so much to be here. Oh, she has some dogs. Nice. I love people with dogs and cats. I have dogs and cats, right? So see you tomorrow. You know, same hour. Thank you so much again, and bye bye. Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a